Can I just also say, I just realized this when we were shearing.
Yeah.
That was an all-women crew that day.
I did recognize that.
Yes.
Which
was pretty badass.
It was pretty badass. So you caught all the sheep.
Yes.
Well, shout out Sammy. He helped you.
Sam did help. Yeah.
Yeah, her son. He was there for a little bit in the morning.
Yeah. Then he peaced out.
Yeah. He was like, thanks for letting me be off school. I caught 2 sheep for you. Bye.
Bye.
And then your shearer.
Siri.
Yeah.
Siri's amazing. I love her so much.
She was phenomenal.